All right, you can lower the Bible.
Look, I even covered it up.
All right, no. The reason why I say that is this. People will come before me and sometimes they bring Bibles. Sometimes the Bibles have not been opened. They're brand new. But I don't want anyone to assume or think that because somebody brings a Bible that it is in any way going to influence the court's ruling. I'm just here to listen to facts and listen to argument and make a decision. That is why I say that. All right. So you all had stepped back to speak with CPS worker?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So what are the results of that phone conversation?
So it is still technically an active case. The investigators are going to be closing it within the next month. As of right now, they have not set any conditions. They've also not spoken with Mr. Austin, but they've said the mother has been following everything, all their recommendations, but they do not have any conditions as of right now. And if for any findings, any of that, she did indicate she need to get back to me before giving a definitive answer. But
All right. So this is what is slightly concerning. And this is just based on my experience from doing CPS work. So it sounds like that's probably a family-based service plan. Is that correct or no?
that's how I'm saying this.
All right. So it's a family-based service plan. And it sounds to me as though their conditions or non-conditions is she has the children. She is not allowing the children to be placed in danger. I don't take any of these facts as true. And so therefore they're getting ready to close the case. What's concerning is they're getting ready to close the case and they're telling you they've had no contact with him or spoken to him. So I don't even know if they have factored in the closing of their case that he wants contact. So did anybody ask them about their concerns, or maybe they don't have concerns with him having contact?
So again, just from my understanding, they mentioned that I believe I'm not sure if he's actually lives in San Antonio, if he's back and forth between somewhere else. So from again my interpretation that if he was not in the state or in a different state, those concerns didn't seem to be.
So this is what I'm going to do with regards to your motion. I'm going to set this motion for a hearing. And if you all can have the CPS workers zoom in, usually they're good about zooming in and these questions can be answered, because I don't want to do something that causes confusion or violates orders or thoughts that they may have. So
while I have the complainant present, does the court want to address her while she's here to avoid?
Sure.
If the court has any questions for her, she is present. If the court wanted to inquire, I'm not suggesting what the court should do, but
Okay.
if the court wanted to inquire, she is present today.
Well, if we can go off the record, if she is present and she wants me to inquire again, this is from my experience in CPS cases. If CPS has an understanding about her allowing or not allowing contact, and that's the whole basis for them getting ready to close that family-based service case, and she comes to testify, I don't have any issues and I want him to, that may affect or impact the closure of that case. So with that being said, if she still wants to come forward, she can. But I mean, a family-based services case, depending on the actions of the parties, can quickly turn into a legal case.
Understood.
So it's completely, do you want to talk to her, Mr. Bonk, and see?
I will.
And let her know what the possible impact could be? All
I
right.
had a quick question. Is it okay?
Oh, you probably want to speak with her.
It's
Yes.
not like that. Is it okay?
Sure.
I live in Florida, so
Okay.
the transmute out here is really, really tough with these
Just
places.
ask Mr. Bonk, you can appear by Zoom.
That's what I was going to.
Yes, just ask him.
Okay.
I'll allow people to
for
appear by
the
Zoom.
hearing thing?
Yes,
Oh, thank you. man.
sure. You're welcome.